700 horsepower and razor-sharp agility. 0-60 in under 3 seconds. Supercar speed in a 4-door luxury sedan. An 800-volt system enables ultra-fast charging so you're never waiting long. The design is pure Maserati, elegant, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Italian. Inside, hand-stitched leather, real wood, and sustainable materials create a cabin that's both luxurious and eco-conscious. Even the iconic Maserati clock is digitized, blending tradition with tech. Maserati engineered a unique sound for the Folgore, an emotional electric signature that connects you to the drive. The Quattroporte. Folgore is more than numbers, it's about feeling, style, and soul. It's Maserati's legacy, reimagined for the electric era. Italian elegance meets next-gen performance. The result? Stunning. The future of Maserati is electric. And it's thrilling. This is passion, electrified. Time for a new level of power. The Lucid Air Sapphire. This isn't just a luxury EV, it's the world's first electric super sedan. With over 1,200 horsepower from 3 motors, it rockets from 0-60 in under 2 seconds. That's hypercar territory. In a 5-seat luxury sedan, advanced torque vectoring gives it agility that defies its size, making it a beast on both road and track. Despite the power, it boasts an EPA-estimated 427-mile range. No compromise on efficiency. Inside, sustainable luxury reigns. Minimalist design, spacious cabin, and a floating 34-inch 5K glass cockpit. Materials are responsibly sourced, blending futuristic style with comfort. The Sapphire's subtle exterior tweaks hint at its performance, but it's a true sleeper. Lucid proves you can have record-breaking speed, long range, and high-end luxury in one package. The Sapphire is a game-changer for both performance and luxury. It's the car every other brand has to answer to. The future of super sedans is here, and it's electric. Lucid has set a new bar. This is innovative.